Good morning. Happy Sunday. I hope you guys have an amazing day today. Um, I am awake. It's currently 6:57 a.m. I'm not going to the gym this morning, but I'm gonna get started on my Sunday reset early. I think I'm going to church today. Um, but besides that, it's Sunday, so we have to meal prep and stuff like that. I'm also doing laundry right now.
25 days of love and laughter, memories we'll be keeping after. Family, crafts, and cozy dreams. Kerizii's world is full of gleams. So give this video a thumbs up too. Come and share, it's all for you. Subscribe and stay, don't miss a thing. Let's make the season shimmer and sing. It's Vlogmas time with Keriziii.
So I guess really what I have on the agenda for today is to clean, meal prep, and lies. I have to clean, meal prep, church, and we're also doing the chair today for sure, for sure, for sure. So yeah, we have a couple of stuff lined up. We have a couple of stuff lined up for today. It's we can call it it's 7 o'clock, so we have the full day ahead of us. Um, yeah, guys, like when I say the place in for clean, like there's just stuff everywhere. But the one thing I did before going to bed last night was I made sure the kitchen was clean, because for me, like, I can't do anything in a dirty kitchen, and I prefer to like clean my kitchen and then have to clean like the other areas and stuff like that, because for me, like, when I wake up, the first place I am in the house is the kitchen, and because of that I want there to be clean. Plus dirty dishes in the sink, or like waking up to dirty dishes in the sink, piss me off. Like, it's the quickest trigger. So yeah. All right, guys. Oh, I'm making porridge for breakfast today as well. Oh, guys, I brought one of these things. Don't know if you guys can see it. I'll tie this on a tree for her. She'll be excited. I don't think I've really like come on here and talk to you guys like when I just wake up. But fun fact, guys, I am a morning person. Like, I wake up chipper and everything else. I think like more in the evening, that's when I start to burn out. So yeah, fun fact, I'm a morning person. So I finished making the porridge. Yeah. Clean the stove. I have the pot ready for the next meal I'm going to cook on the stove. Yeah, you know already. I wash and clean up the pots. Just have the chicken there defrosting. Yeah. So what I'm about to do right now. So right now I'm gonna go do. So right now I'm gonna go fold. So right now I'm gonna go and fold laundry, and it's not one of my preferred tasks. So let's go zoom through that. It's currently 8:56. So maybe 30 minutes of folding. Let's see what that can get me.
When this stuff dries, is it gonna be okay?
I guess that's why it should dry like if water wet it up.
Huh?
It should dry as if like water wet it up, because it's not like spray paint where you know like seals and coats and
Okay, so it should be fine then.
yeah.
Okay.
I mean if the fluffiness will be fine is what you're asking. Yeah. Alright guys, so update on the package that got stolen.
didn't get it back, but Amazon has issued the refund. So I mean, at least I'm not out that money, but like I've been waiting on those items for a while, so I am kind of bummed. I also checked, and one of the items are no longer in. One of the items it's no longer in stock, so that's amazing, like truly amazing. Alright, so right now we're gonna go ahead and open this package I got from Amazon. At this point, I don't even know what's in there. Okay, this is my pre-workout. I tell you guys, A-cuts. This is all I use. This is my pre-cut, man. This is my pre-workout. Oh yeah, I got a microphone for my phone. What's this? Oh, I got a light, like a selfie light. Ooh, this feels heavy. And I got wax and wax sticks, like the silicone reusable ones. Yeah. Wonder how bright this is. Ooh. I guess this really come dead. Oh. Ooh. Oh no, this is bright, guys. This is bright. Ooh. Okay. Meow. I'm excited to use this. Like, I want to ask Amma when we're going out so I can use this. Okay. I'm really bummed out about that package that got stolen. Like, it had in all the things I was really waiting on. And then now they don't have the cover. The wind muff is no longer in stock. Not me just tapping on the mic. Like, that's a great experience. Yeah. Alright. And now here is my baby. Even the color of the wording is pink. So so guys, this is my iPad. Duh. But I noticed that the sticker on it is pink. So I was like, okay, I guess I just have them stocked. And it's like, okay, this person wants a pink. It's already boxed and ready to go, as opposed to like they're boxing it for me. Here is my iPad. It's pink. I really hope they give you a wall adapter with this. Ooh, she's so pretty. It does come with a wall adapter, people. So this is her, very pink. Ooh. This is her. It feels big. Was it bigger than I was using? It feels because I know I'm not using.
It's not
And
slightly thicker.
we'll get a base. We'll love a base. And thankfully, we're all fully caught up now. And we all use C's.
We are
Like all of the
devices.
yeah, so like going forward, Apple has to use like C's. So at least that annoyance is over. But I'm really happy that I got an adapter with my purchase. Because I'm so used to not getting adapters that it's a surprise at this point.
Get them with these
Huh?
on the phone.
Huh?
I guess you get them with these on the phone.
I guess.
No. Those on laptop. Take it to the laptop, no?
Huh?
You bring it to the laptop.
But it's different. Yeah, because you need a laptop charger. A laptop charger is what you get. As opposed to like it's a laptop cable.
Oh, it's all connected. I thought it was when it was detachable.
Yeah, like you can break it down, but it wasn't you weren't connecting it to a USB thing. It was like
Oh.
yeah, guys, so I finally have my iPad now. So my iPad case, the pen stolen.